This cutaway shows the ductwork in that fur down, in that drop ceiling, because the only part of the whole heating, ventilation, air conditioning system and ductwork that is not within the conditioned space is the gas furnace, and that is in the vented attic, and so the duct comes down to come back into the conditioned space and is in the fur down all the way. So we'd say about 90% of it is, or more, is within the conditioned space. La House has, including the teaching center, has 3 different heating cooling systems for showing different options. Not that we recommend using multiple types in a home, but this one is a dual fuel heat pump. It's a high efficiency air source heat pump, a SEER efficiency rating of 16, which is quite high efficiency, but it is generally with an air source heat pump, it's very energy efficient until it gets very cold, generally around freezing or below. At that point, supplemental heat is needed because you can't extract enough from the air outside. So it's often an electric strip heat, which is very inefficient. So this provides backup heat by a high efficiency gas furnace, which is a good cost-effective system, say for the climate in North Louisiana. We're in climate zone 2 and climate zone 3 has enough of a winter to really justify that cost. But this is a very efficient option, and the high efficiency gas furnace is up in the vented attic, but because it is so high efficiency, it's a condensing furnace, it doesn't need a stack through the roof, it can actually go through the wall. The return air grill here you see is very large, and that provides a nice good airflow, and it is designed to make the air make a turn, and that keeps it quiet, so that reduces the noise of the system as well. The pull down stair to the attic is a really special one. It was designed to be airtight. It's pre-weather stripped with a gasket and pre-insulated. It's about R10 of insulation. And it's also very quick and easy to install because it's designed to fit right between 24-inch on center joists. So you don't have to cut through your joists, affect your structure, and build another box around it. So it's and generally we lose a lot of energy, gain a lot of heat, and have a lot of air leakage through the typical pull-down attic access stair, but not this one. It's designed to be very, very energy efficient. This ceiling here has a vented attic over it, and in that space is blown fiberglass insulation to a level of R38 so that you have complete coverage. But in addition to that, the roof decking of that vented attic has a radiant barrier foil facing on the underside, the shiny side down. That radiant barrier roof decking greatly reduces the heat gain to that vented attic.